Big up Luca, man, for making his debut yesterday. 16 years old, crazy. But as you know, guys, I'll tell you this, and also for those players who made it on the bench for Tottenham as well, Byfield and TT, you have to be able to make noise at the under 21s and under 18s level in nowadays to get this opportunity to play first team. Meaning, I always tell players you've got to be phenomenal or be forgotten. If you're just doing these like meaty, average performances, you're not going to be able to touch pitch at this level. And that's why goals and assists and creating a hell of problems going forward and defensively, obviously at the back, is what gets you these opportunities. Luka's been making noise for a hot minute, and there's many players in Tottenham like that. And for those who are looking to try and get the same results, you have to improve your effectiveness on a pitch in order for this to happen. But W for Luka.